technically I'm at Xpeng to see a new car and car stuff, but flying cars, drones, flying objects, from the basic to Xpeng's Traveller T1. Would you fly in that? Don't know about that. Then there is the actual flying car, a vehicle which Xpeng produced to prove that it doesn't really work. The idea of an actual flying car is not the most sensible thing. Of course, then you get multi-rotor, big transportation solutions. Is that the future? Is it these little drone pods? Or is it something I'm very excited about, which will be available for the first time in the Middle East in 2026, and that is the land carrier. This, out of the back of which comes this little drone, a two-seater personal drone to get out and have some fun with. This is closer to reality than any other flying car.